Alright guys, hello and welcome back. Today I am going to be using my samples that I got from Liquitex. Liquitex Professional Heavy Body Acrylic Paints. Now, I asked them for these because I was told that if I wanted to try them out, the best way to get them was to ask for them. So I did that. Now, I have whatever this is. It says crimson and some other words. Quinacridone crimson. Blue. There we go. Blue in the green shade. And yellow medium ozone. So these are the only three colors I got in my sample pack that I asked for. So today I wanted to try and use them on a painting. Now the only difference is I'm going to need some white, which they did not give me. So I'm going to be using my regular paint that I always use, my Gumbosher Titanium White. That's the only other paint I'm going to use. Let's hope it works out. Okay, so let's get this out. I have a tiny canvas here, about the size of my hand, 4x7 I think. You see guys, this is the problem. Okay, try to get it out. Ugh. They could have at least gave me tubes, I think, in my opinion. A small tiny tube would have been fine. This is a mess. You guys see this. This is a mess. Anyway, let me dip my fingers in some water. Okay, so we're going to test them out now. First thing I need to do is my background. Now, to do my background, I am going to need two colors. Let's use this brush, shall we? Alright, I'm going to wet my brush a little bit. Sorry about my arm being in the way. Always check your canvas for white spots because you don't want your canvas showing through. Okay guys, I am back and it is dry. And I put it up on my little canvas here, and I think I like this setup better than the way I had it before. You guys let me know down in the comments below. And I'm just going to still keep hitting my mic. But I did find a few white spots in my canvas, so I'm just going to go over it. Okay, so I'm just adding more white in the green that I have. And I think I'm going to start with this color. I'm going to leave the streaks in my paintbrush. Okay, and then I'm just going to come off of here and put in my leaf. And I'm going to try and finish this painting with those. I gave Liquitex a try. I didn't like it. So here we go to my gum bar. I'm gonna leave this like it is and call it quits. I keep messing with it and I don't want to mess it up, so we're gonna leave it like this. I could do a whole lot more to it and spend a lot more time on it, but I keep having sneezing fits today. I'm guessing because the doctor put stuff up my nose. But we're gonna leave it like this. I will sign it after I sign off of the video. I just gotta figure out what color I want to use. I tried the white, tried the red, I don't like it. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, tell me what you think about it, and yeah, till next time, guys. Bye.